Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural motorcycles. My name is Dmitry, and today I'm going to show you just a quick video of the job we're doing on the rims of this Ural Retro. Here's the bike with the sidecar. And what we're doing today, we're actually replacing the rims. And when I say we're replacing the rims, we're replacing the rims. So we're putting new spokes, we're keeping the hub and the bearing, and we're putting new rims. So what we need to do is we need to make the rig, and this is already one made for the 18-inch wheel, and this one is being made for the 19-inch wheel. So this rig will position the rim and the hub in the proper position in relation to each other, so you can start off spot on with the spokes, and at the end of the day, at the end of the job I should say, it will save time substantially. You can see right here, we're finishing up this one. This is the final adjustment. And as you can see, we have a nice set of tools, torque range. And let's give it a spin. It looks nice. Yeah, just a little bit of final adjustments and it's ready to go back on the bike. And it is a tedious, time-consuming process that requires skill and patience. And the way you do it, of course, you disassemble one, remove the hub. You should have all your new spokes, put the spokes in, and there's a whole process of installing them and tightening them up in a very specific sequence, and leading towards the end of the process would be when all the spokes are torqued to specifications in that very specific order. And when it's all done, you have a nice and smooth running riding machine. Thanks for watching. Consider sharing, subscribing. My name is Dmitry, and until next time.